Hello, my name is Lalit Kolte, faculty for MBA at First Byte. So let's understand how our MBA curriculum is and what subjects we will be learning. Our first subject is business communication. As the name says, it teaches you techniques, methods which we use for communication in the corporate world or in the business environment where we will be working. So here we will be learning some techniques, how to write emails, how to give presentations, how to speak, how to express what information you have, how to generate output and express it correctly. So these all things impact in a business environment. So all these things you will be learning in business communication subject. Next subject we have is principles of management. Here we will be learning some theory concepts which were propounded earlier by some management experts. So with this theory knowledge, we will be having some good theory knowledge about business aspects. Here we will be learning some case studies. There were some examples which happened about the businesses. So here we will be learning about that. Next subject is management accounting. So management accounting is basically use of tailor-made techniques for daily business administration. So businesses get loads of information which needs to be processed for generating an output. For example, in a business there is a production department, there is an admin department, there is a finance department. So all these departments generate some information and there has to be decision making that has to be done. So all this information is collected, it is processed and it is given as an output to top management for decision making process. So for example, let's say that I have to take some decision regarding production department, but I have information of finance department, admin department, production department. So which information to process? So I will be processing first production department's information, generate an output of it and provide it to the top management for decision making purpose. So this is a basic general idea how management accounting function works in a business. So all these techniques, how to process that information, we will be learning in this subject of management accounting. So next subject is management skills. So basically this is not a bookish subject, how we read books and give exams. No, this is total practical subject. What skills we will be learning is basically soft skills. How you present, how you speak, how you generate output, how you present that output, giving presentations. So all these things we will be learning in management skills. We also learn this in BBA course, but that is at a very basic level. Here in MBA course, we will be learning at a very advanced scale, because after here you will be working in proper business environment. So this is how you can have an edge over the BBA course. So here in MBA you will be learning some advanced skills, how to speak and all. So all those skills will be polished here in MBA and you can have a good position in the corporate or business environment. So that's why we learn this subject. So this is our MBA curriculum. As and when you advance from SEM 1 to SEM 4, you will be pursuing your specialization and subjects will be changing. All these subjects are at a basic level, at a SEM 1 level. Once you pursue from SEM 2, SEM 3, courses will be advanced, courses will be more specialized as per your choice. We have specializations of operations, human resource, finance and many more. So that's where you will be gaining some more knowledge about it. So this is all about our MBA curriculum. See you in our lectures.